How to fix the finals unhandled exception error? Fix crashing on startup. First step, restart your device. Completely close the finals and Steam application. Restart your device. Once the restore complete, after move on with next step. Open Steam, click library, click the application, right click, click properties, click install file, and click verify integrity of the game files. And wait for some time. It's actually verifying the game files because corrupted or missing files can cause us Unreal Engine crashes. So wait for some times. Successfully validate. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Steam and the Finals application. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click Allow another app. Click Browse. Go to C drive. Program Files. Click Steam folder. Scroll down. You get the Steam application. Then go to Steam apps. You get the Finals application. Click it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Then move on with next step. Open settings. Click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Then move on with next step. Search for Device Manager. Click it. Click Display Adapters. You can check the drivers here and go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Depends on the device, it may vary. So you need to check the drivers here and go to the official website of the drivers, download and install it. That is one method. The next method, you can right click and click update driver. So these are the two methods. So once complete, after next step, click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphics settings, scroll down and search for the finals application and Steam application. The GPU preference depends on you, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it. Same for Steam. The GPU preferences depends on you, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. If you're not having the application means you need to add the application. Go to C drive, program files, Steam. Then you get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding, after restart your device.